Hey everybody, my name is Igor Balin. I'm a plastic recycling specialist. For the last 15 years, I've owned and operated Universal Commodity Services. And one thing we recycle the most of over the last 15 years is plastic film. Let me show you what I mean. So right here, I got a bag of different kind of film material. We got grocery film, we got grocery bags, we got toilet paper packaging, we got bagel packaging film, because we love bagels. So what I do and what I'd like to suggest that you do, collect all your film, collect it in a bag, something like this, a big bag that you can reuse. And when it gets filled up, go ahead and bring it to your local big box store like Home Depot, Lowe's, or your neighborhood grocery store. For us, it's Harris Teeter. So right now I'm going to take you to Home Depot. I'm going to show you exactly how easy it is to recycle your polyethylene film. Excuse me, everybody. And if I'm not mistaken, it's right there. So right here we have the recycling bin for polyethylene film. You can see it says right here, plastic bag recycling. I know a lot of people don't know that that's even there. It's usually by the returns counter. What we're gonna do, we're just gonna open this up. Oh look, I'm not the only one. Someone's already put some film in here. We're just gonna take all this film, we're gonna empty it out in this bag. We're gonna empty it out. See all that film in here? All this is gonna become plastic decking, another bag, or maybe some edging for your garden. One way or another, it's gonna get recycled, guaranteed. So I just wanna let everybody know, it's not only Home Depot that does recycling of the grocery bags. Any big box store that uses grocery bags to package their product that you're buying should be taking back those grocery bags. I'm at Lowe's right now. I'm going to take you inside and I'm going to show you exactly where the recycling bin is for the grocery bags. Come on, follow me. Grocery film is one of the things that actually pollutes our oceans. And you hear a lot about cleaning up our oceans. You want to clean up our oceans, do your part. Recycle your grocery film, bring it to the big box store. So I'm inside the Lowe's right now and I want to show you every single Lowe's has this recycling station right here. Now, if you could read what it says behind me, you got the first box is for light bulbs, second one is for batteries, and the third one right here with the biggest hole in it, well, it's for grocery bags. And there are some in here, so I'm glad to see people are using it. Hey everybody, I was just talking to you from Lowe's across the street. I wanted to come over here to our neighborhood grocery store, Harris Teeter. So I'm going to take you inside right now and I'm going to show you how to recycle your grocery film inside Harris Teeter. Come on, come with me. One grocery bag at a time, you can help save our oceans. So I'm inside the Harris Teeter. I didn't have to go far. This is where all the shopping carts are at, right at the main entrance. And you can see right behind me, there's actually a recycling bin for your cans and bottles. You know, most people obviously wouldn't be using that if they have a curbside recycling program. And then you got your paper and your plastic. So let's take a look what's inside the plastic container. So this was made right here for recycling film. So let's just open it up and see what's in there. And you can see people are putting their film inside the right container. So glad to see that I'm not the only person in the country that knows about this. Hopefully after watching this video, you're gonna know about this too. Tell your friends, tell your kids, tell your family. Recycle your film at your local grocery store. Thanks, stay green.